Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to cook breakfast hash. The beautiful thing about breakfast hash, you can pretty much use whatever you like. It's fantastic for using leftovers from the fridge. First, slice 4 potatoes into cubes. Add them to a bowl with a splash of olive oil. Season with ground cumin. And season with salt. Mix through the potatoes so they're evenly coated. Place in the microwave and cook for 5 minutes. Next, cut one side of a green bell pepper into cubes. Then do the same with the red bell peppers. Roughly dice 1 onion. Followed by 1 clove of garlic. Slice up a couple sprigs of parsley. 2 sprigs of fresh rosemary. And some fresh thyme. Roughly slice 3 pieces of eye bacon. Then 2 sticks of your choice of sausage. I'm using chorizo. Place a pan over medium to high heat. To the pan, add a splash of oil. Then add the onions. Cook until they start to become translucent. Add the garlic. Cook until the onions just begin to brown. Add the bacon and then the sausage. Start to brown them off. Next, add the bell peppers. Cook until they begin to soften. Once they've begun to soften, transfer them to a bowl. Add the potatoes to the pan. Because they were pre-cooked in the microwave, all we have to do is brown the edges. Once the potatoes are browned, add the veggies and the herbs to the pan. Mix them through. Crack 4 to 5 eggs into the veggies. Make sure they're evenly spread out. Place in the oven at a temperature of 356 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. Cook until the whites have hardened and the yolks are still soft. All that's left to do is to serve it up. There you have it, breakfast hash. This is a perfect Sunday breakfast to share. The beautiful thing about this dish is you can use pretty much any leftovers from the fridge. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.